Next we'll discuss about acceleration due to gravity. What do you mean by acceleration due to gravity? When a body is allowed to fall freely, that body will accelerate continuously. The acceleration is mainly due to the gravitational pull of the earth. The earth is exerting some force on the body to get the body or to pull the body downwards. So the body will fall freely due to gravitational pull of the earth. In general, the body is accelerating. The body is having uniform acceleration. We know that the value of g, that g is nothing but acceleration due to gravity symbol. G is having maximum value at the poles of the earth. If we'll consider the earth, it can be considered as a sphere. The upper part will be called as pole, and the middle section we can call that as equator. Since the pole, it's a flattened. Since it's a flat, it will be closer to the middle of the earth. So due to that, g will have more value at the poles than at the equator. The value of g at the poles will be g equal to 9.83 meter per second square, and the value of g at the equator will be 9.78 meter per second square. But practically we used to take the value as 9.8 meter per second square.